Wait, did did you hear that? There's a massive housing reform taking place in real time. Let's talk about what this could mean for you.
Welcome to REAL-tor TALK, the podcast that gives you the straight talk on real estate, real results, and real innovation.
Everything is about real estate: land, houses, apartments, commercial buildings, and water.
Hold that line.
Every episode is designed to provide practical knowledge, real-world strategies, and valuable insights to help you navigate the ever-changing world of real estate with confidence. Now let's meet the incredible creator and host that will be guiding you through this journey. Bridget Youngblood, a seasoned realtor of 15 years and an educator.
Hello, I'm Bridget, and I want to thank you for tuning into REAL-tor TALK today. This is a place where we discuss real estate, real time, real results, and so much more. Whether you're buying, selling, investing, or simply looking for information to help you build wealth through real estate, you're in the right place.
Hold that line. REAL-tor TALK.
Today's episode, Decoding the 21st Century Road to Housing Act and what it means for you. Today on REAL-tor TALK, we're taking a closer look at the 21st Century Road to Housing Act and what it could mean for housing and homeownership. Let's break it down, keep it real, and explore why this matters to you and your community. And I also use Notebook LM to help me with this presentation. Take a look at Notebook LM if you haven't tried it already. It's a great free software. Now let's jump right into it. Thank you.
Our mission today is to dissect the 21st Century Road to Housing Act, which is a massive 43-provision bipartisan package.
Right, and it's aiming to fix the national affordable housing shortage. We are pulling all this from a detailed explainer on the bill, which actually just passed the Senate 89-10 in March of 2026.
Yeah, and okay, let's unpack this. How does a bitterly divided government actually agree on housing?
Well, they do it by attacking the shortage from, wildly different angles at once. I mean, the affordability crisis is hitting everywhere, so lawmakers had to bundle physical supply-side fixes with intense market regulations.
Right, just to get that consensus. And before addressing who gets to buy houses, the bill tackles the physical lack of space to build them, like with the RESIDE Act.
Exactly. The RESIDE Act creates these federal grants to convert vacant commercial spaces into mixed-income housing. We are talking about targeting folks making at or below 60% of the area median income.
So, meaning those earning significantly less than the middle of the local pay scale, like taking dead strip malls and warehouses and flipping them.
Yeah, the federal grants absorb the massive financial risk of that commercial to residential zoning conversion. And this pairs directly with the Housing Supply Expansion Act.
Oh, right, the one that lowers costs for manufactured homes.
Yes. It drastically alters how they are built by removing a long-standing HUD rule, the one that forced manufactured homes to be built on a permanent steel chassis.
Wait, so by dropping that chassis requirement, builders can just use standard foundations, right?
Exactly. That means they can stack units or fit them onto narrower, weirdly shaped city lots. It cuts down on shipping and site prep costs immensely.
So this is basically adaptive reuse on a federal scale, like upcycling a dead shopping mall into a functioning neighborhood.
That is a great way to put it. And, once those homes actually exist, the legislation aggressively restricts who is legally allowed to buy them.
Right, the whole homes are for people, not corporations' provision.
Yeah, it bans large institutional investors from purchasing any more single-family properties. And large is defined as owning 350 or more single-family homes. Break the rule, and they face penalties up to $1 million.
Wow, $1 million.
Or 3 times the purchase price, whichever is higher.
Wait, but looking at the fine print, if there are massive exceptions allowing them to build to rent or renovate to rent, doesn't that leave a giant loophole for the exact corporations this targets?
Well, if a corporation makes substantial improvements, yes, they can still buy the property and rent it out, but they are required to sell it to an individual home buyer after 7 years. The legislative logic is to force investors to actually improve the decaying housing stock.
Oh, rather than just hoarding existing move-in ready homes.
Exactly.
So it's basically a ticking clock. Corporations can squeeze out 7 years of rental profit, but after that, the alarm goes off and they are legally forced to inject that home back into the local supply.
Right.
So I will leave you with a final thought. If converting commercial strip malls into housing and aggressively regulating corporate buyers becomes the new federal standard, how might the physical layout and ownership structure of your own neighborhood fundamentally transform over the next decade?
Real-tor talk.